Hey there, economics enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting episode with The Accountist. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of economics, a subject that affects every aspect of our lives. Whether you're buying your morning coffee, planning a vacation, or voting in an election, economics is at play. So, what exactly is economics? At its core, economics is the study of how individuals, businesses, and governments make choices about allocating resources. These resources could be anything from time and money to labor and raw materials. The goal? To maximize efficiency and satisfy as many needs and wants as possible. Let's break it down a bit. Economics is divided into two main branches: microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics focuses on individual and business decision-making processes. It examines how consumers and firms interact in markets, determining prices and quantities of goods and services. Imagine you're running a lemonade stand. Microeconomics would help you figure out how much lemonade to produce, what price to set, and how to maximize your profits. On the other hand, macroeconomics looks at the economy as a whole. It deals with large-scale economic factors such as national productivity, inflation, unemployment, and fiscal policies. Think about the government's role in managing the economy. Macroeconomics helps us understand how policies like taxation and government spending influence economic growth and stability. Now, let's talk about some key concepts you need to know. First up, supply and demand. This fundamental principle explains how prices are determined in a market. When demand for a product increases, prices tend to rise. Conversely, if supply increases, prices usually fall. It's like a balancing act that keeps the market in equilibrium. Next, we have opportunity cost. This is the idea that in order to gain something, you have to give up something else. For example, if you spend your evening studying for an economics exam, the opportunity cost is the time you could have spent with friends or watching TV. Understanding opportunity cost helps us make informed decisions by weighing the potential benefits and drawbacks. Another key concept is economic efficiency. This occurs when resources are allocated in a way that maximizes total benefits. An efficient economy produces the right goods in the right quantities and distributes them to those who value them the most. It's like getting the best possible outcome with the resources available. Finally, let's touch on incentives. In economics, incentives are factors that motivate individuals and businesses to make certain decisions. These could be financial, such as profits and wages, or non-financial, like social recognition or personal satisfaction. Understanding incentives helps us predict behavior and design policies that encourage desirable outcomes. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of economics with The Accountist. Remember, economics isn't just about numbers and graphs, it's about making choices that shape our world. Stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more enlightening content. Until next time, this is The Accountist, signing off.